welcome back to my channel. So today guys, we're going to talk about something fun that I do as one of my treatments that I do for the week. We're going to talk about Aztec clay, and this is the Health and Beauty Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay. So what I wanted to do is show you guys one of my skincare routine that I do for the week. For my skincare, if you guys notice, my skin is doing so much better than it has done in the past, especially with my hyperpigmentation issues. I'm doing so much better at taking care of my skin and learning what it needs. I have a whole skincare plan for the week, and I do a couple of things throughout that week time, including my spa day on the weekend, which I am going to do a new one for you guys because it's hot and humid and my skin needs moisture. So I'm going to show you guys how I do my clay mask for the week. So guys, let's get started in showing you how I do that. So today guys, we are going to do a video of what I do twice a week, and I do this to help keep my skin as clear as possible, to help fight acne, unclog my pores, and fight bacteria, help with the sebum over my forehead and my nose area are especially oily. So this helps keeps my skin healthy, and it helps it glow and just keeps bacteria and all kind of gunk and things that acne's love on your face away. And this actually helped me a little bit with my inflammatory acne. So what I'm doing today is doing the Aztec Healing Clay Mask. Now this is the Indian Healing Clay. If you guys haven't seen this before, it's all over my channel. I've used this for a while now. I used to use it on my hair only, but I started using it on my skin a little while ago, and my skin loves it. So I started doing this as part of my skincare routine. I started doing this twice a week, and it's worked beautifully. So you're gonna need your Aztec clay. This is my little kit that I bought a while ago. I lost the little spatula somewhere, I can't find it, but I do have the ball, the scoop for the size, and this is from my kit that I did my 7-day face mask. I have a couple of them actually. If you guys haven't seen those videos, go check them out. I love those masks. So guys, this is gonna be my apple cider vinegar that I use for it. So the first thing we're gonna do is actually put on some clay mask, and for that I'm only using, because my face, I found the best ratio is to use this little spoon, and this is 5. I'm not sure how much this measures, but I feel like this is like half of a tablespoon. So we're gonna fill this guy up, and I make sure I fill it up to the brim. So when we get it, fill it up about this much. And after that, ooh, my eye. So guys, you just add this in here. Sure it's all in. And the next thing I'm going to do is gonna go ahead and add my apple cider vinegar. And I kind of spread this around a little bit just to make sure it's in there. And you just add your little apple cider vinegar in it. And I love the fact that it fizzles. It's fun. So this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna go ahead and actually mix this. And make sure guys you have a good ratio for your apple cider vinegar to your mask, because you don't want this to be too watery when you apply it. You want a little bit of mask. If you happen to put a little bit more apple cider vinegar than you would desired to get that best mix as possible, just add in a little bit more clay mask to it. What I do is when I apply this, I put it all over my face and neck, so it's not a big problem for me to have a little bit extra. But if you don't know how much it takes to cover your face yet, just do it little by little. Like just do a little dab first, and then add a little bit more apple cider vinegar in the clay mask. Now this is the best consistency that I like for this. This is how watery, thick. It's a little bit more watery than yogurt consistency, and I like that. But do it as much as you want, guys. This is all you. See? And after I do this, I usually just mix it for about a minute just to make sure everything is evenly mixed. It looks really nice and everything looks smooth. Really, this is what my mask look like. And what we're gonna do is just apply this. First thing I do is I apply it to my cheeks first, so it is on my trouble spots first, because my forehead and my nose may get oily a lot faster than the rest of my face, but these are my problem areas, or my cheeks. When I put this on, it helps to start detoxing them a lot faster, and it stays on longer, so it works for me. You can apply this where you need it the most. I would say I apply this like any other treatment usually, unless there's a specific instruction for me to do so. I go to where I have problems the most. I tend to get a lot of, guys, we have crazy dogs next door, so if you hear barking, that's them. But I apply this to where I need the most first, and then I would go to the rest of my face. Now I'm wearing this little fun headband because I want to make sure I know where to stop before I get to my edges. If I don't have hair on, guys, one thing I wanted to point out is when I do this routine, this would be my co-wash and this would be when I do my co-wash and my facial, my detox clay facial. So if I didn't have my hair braided like it is right now, I would co-wash my hair as well. So when I get it out, I'll do a full video for you guys to show you. From me co-washing my hair to me doing this clay mask in mid. I'm using this camera as a mirror, guys, so look straight. I'm trying to look straight. Usually I would have my mirror that I'm looking at to do this. It's up to you. You don't have to do such a thick coat. Some days I don't. I've had three breakouts in the past couple of days, so I decided to do a heavier coat and get that on there. And I do my eyebrows. I know not everyone do this when they put this mask on, but because I shave my eyebrows and I tweeze them if they have a little bit left or anything like that, I make sure that I do them as well to detox the clogged pores. So when I shave them, I get a better shave than just regular. And now we're gonna go at the bottom of my neck. So let's do, make sure you do. And guys, you know I always say, whatever you do to your face, do it to your neck, because that is important. This is how you keep your skin glowing. And your neck also beautiful, so your neck isn't aging while your face look amazing, and it's not making sense eventually. So it is important. And on my neck, usually I don't do as thick of a layer. You guys can see. And that is it. So guys, this is what my face looked like after I put in this clay mask. And I'm gonna leave this in usually in about 15-20 minutes. I know sometimes some people leave it for like 10 minutes. I want my face to dry up. I leave this to completely dry. See, I'm missing a little spot right here. I leave this to dry up completely, and then I would go ahead and rinse it off. And I'm gonna use a disposable sponge and just wipe it off and take it completely off. And I'll show you guys how I do that as well inside the shower, so you have a better idea if you use a sponge or if you just want to rinse it off. My tip is to rinse it off in the shower. It's a lot easier that way, but we're gonna wait for this to dry up, and then I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna rinse it off and show you guys what my face look like. Now, a few things I wanted to mention about the Aztec clay, guys. It helps with the blood flow in your face, but also one of my trouble things is my T-zone area is super oily, so it does help absorb a lot of that oil and help my skin out with balancing. It doesn't get as oily as it used to. It also is healing to the skin, because if you have acne prone skin like I do that easily break out or have scars, and even the inflammation issues that's on there, it's a great help to make sure I minimize my acne and I don't have to deal with it as much. So guys, if you can see from my skin, I wanted to show you guys, this is the end result of my skin. I don't have anything on my face, and if you can see, even after I clean my face, you can see how it's still a little bit shiny on my forehead, but there's no like oil residue, which is great. It'd be super oily after I wash it on a regular basis, but now if you can see my face right now, it doesn't have any product on it. I absolutely love how it looks when it's clean. There's nothing on it. I don't even have lip balm on, guys. I wanted to show you what my face looked like without anything on after I do the treatment, and I absolutely love it. Now for that whole treatment, another thing I do is I LED my face. I'm working on using my LED mask almost every day now for about 15 to 20 minutes. I don't do it for long, so that way it helps. Not only it's helping with the healing of my skin, but most importantly it helps to stop the acne before they even break out. Yes, I do get occasional acne, guys, but don't worry about acne as much as eating healthy and treating your body inside out and just making sure you're keeping your skin as clean as possible. So if you guys have used this clay to do your face, definitely comment down below and say if it's worked for you. It's doing a great job for my face at keeping my pores clean because it just acts as a suction as well. I forgot to mention, you can feel once you've had it on for about 10 minutes, you can feel your face pulsing, which is great for blood flow, but it's also sucking out all the grime and dirt and oil, sebum, everything in your skin is just sucking that out, which is amazing, and I absolutely love it. So that is one of my little secret thing that I do. I do a clay mask as well as I go ahead and I LED my face twice a week, and I love it and it's worked so great so far. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, of course, subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you know when I have new videos that are coming out. Of course, leave all of your comments down below, guys, about clay masks or any other detox mask you do for your face. As always, give this video a thumbs up. It helps my channel out a lot, and don't forget to go over and watch my last video.
You got me shaking, yeah, I